both discretionary trading and system-based trading, right? System-based trading will be automated using Target, and I'll be showing you more about that. And also discretionary trading as usual. So whenever required, whenever we feel that the market is rallying or the market has gone beyond a range, only then we'll be adjusting. So let's see how today's trading goes, and I will be now going to the screen recording at 9:15. Hey guys, welcome to the video. And as you can see on my screen, so today I'm trading in a different account called as DC2895, because the usual account SR1598, we are using it for some testing purpose. So that's the reason I'm trading in this account today. So yesterday I had carried a 44,700 call and 44,200 put. It was a short strangle, and both of them were having almost the equal premium. And today we opened with a gap up, as you can see here. So we had almost around 200 points gap up. And right now we are trading around 44,700 itself. And I have created a 44,700 short straddle. Along with that, I have also created two system-based trades using Target, so which you can also check out, right? So you can just go to beta.fintarget.in, and the first strategy will be triggered at 9:25. So one more minute for the first strategy to trigger. So post that, we can track our strategy P&L right from the platform. So right now, since I told you that we'll be doing both discretionary trade as well as system-based trade. For our discretionary trade, so you can see that two of the orders were triggered exactly at 9:25, right? And two stop losses are also placed, right? So for our discretionary trade, so we are going to follow these two levels, that is 44,760 and 44,590. So why 44,600 on the downside? You can clearly see on the charts. So in the previous rally on Monday, so we saw that it took some resistance around 44,600. Again, you can see that even yesterday it tried to cross 44,600 couple of times, but it was unable to. So now this should act as a good support. If we are breaking it on the lower end, so then I will be cutting this trade and maybe converting this back into a short strangle. Similarly, on the higher end, if we are breaking 44,760 or 770, I'll still be cutting my trade and converting into a short strangle. Apart from that, I will not be doing anything with my system-based trades. So I'll be carrying the system-based trades as it is. And this also comes with a trailing stop loss. So continuously, their stop loss will be trailing, right? So now it is very easy for us to track the overall P&L from system-based trade and discretionary trade. So if I actually go to this particular tab here, so I can actually track my exact P&L from my automation. So we can very easily distinguish how much I have made from discretionary and system-based. So like my usual routine, I am off to office now. The time is around 10:45. And no changes have been done to the position. So I'm still holding the 44,700 short straddle along with the system trades which we have taken. So the M2M has actually recovered. So when we last time saw it was under 1,000. So right now it has come to around 6,000. So once I go to the office around 11:30, let's do a quick trade review. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ayush. Happy birthday to you.
Pineapple, Black Forest, hazelnut. No, I can't count. Okay, we can. Hey, I can actually require. No. Okay, done. You wait, okay?
Hey guys, welcome to the 12:30 trade review. So today we are a little late than usual. So if you actually look at the market from where we left, so when we stopped at 9:30, the market was actually going up. Post 10 o'clock, we have seen a consistent sell-off. So even though the market has actually come down, it has not breached any of the levels either on the higher end or lower end. And that's the reason we haven't cut our trades. I think the previous level was 44. 770. So it has not breached either on the higher end or lower end. So we have left the position as it is. Rather, I ended up adding further more short straddles at 44,700. So you can see the positions right now at 44,700. We have additional quantity of short straddle, and in our system trade, one leg has hit the stop loss and the other one is still running. So overall, our profits have actually dropped. So by the time when I left to the office, the profits was close to around 5,000. Right now it is at 1,500. So any consolidation or any slight up move from here is actually going to benefit us. So if you look at from system trade, we have a loss of 3,000 rupees. That means from discretionary, we have made an overall profit of around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees, right? So now the premiums are trading at 164 and 97. We have a 44,700 short straddle, which is a slightly bullish short straddle. So I'm going to cut my discretionary trade in case if we are falling below 44,590, which is the level which we had marked in the morning. So as long as the market ends up holding this level, we are not going to do anything to the trade. So if we get any good decay towards the end of the day, so that would be quite beneficial. So again, I'll be coming and doing one more review closer to around 2 o'clock and try to see what is happening to the positions by then.
We are the live config.
Yeah, so hi Chandan.
Hello.
So we have something exciting coming up in the next month, so I'm not going to reveal what it is. And yeah, stay tuned. And also I wanted to introduce the new guest on my vlog, which is Kirana. Hi Kirana. So Kirana basically takes care of operations and admin. Welcome to Vikal. Okay guys, finally after ordering food on Ayush's birthday, we have got the delivery here. Guess what's inside?
Pizza.
Okay, so now we are going up to have food, and I will also do the trade review. Balu, you want to see CG power?
What?
Come here, Ayush will show you something. You have 1 crore, you could have made 100 crores.
Where is your IDFC now?
IDFC is not doing anything.
2020 this stock was 4 rupees. Today 410 rupees.
2020. How much? 3 years, 100 times. Making 100% profit is only huge. 100.
What is your take on this, Balu?
He's not taking anything out of it. I have not taken anything out of it. See what's happened. What's probably one out of 1,000 stocks like that.
Yeah.
Not like every day.
अपने कदमों में होगी। एक दिन दुनिया में अपना भी सिक्का चलेगा। अरे जेब खाली हो तभी तो सपने देखने चाहिए। तभी तो जेब भर जाने के बाद उन सपनों को सच किया जा सकता है मेरे भाई।
Hey guys, welcome to the 3:30 recording, and as you can see that we have a pretty big fall on our charts. So initially we were looking at the levels of 44,770 and 44,590, right? So the market actually broke 44,590 around 1 o'clock, and after that the market actually started falling. Here you're looking at a 30-minute chart, but when I actually show it to you on 5-minute, so the market did consolidate here for some time, and then we started to see the fall. So post 2 o'clock, the fall started to intensify. So you can see around 2:10, we saw a big red candle, and after that, the fall just started to intensify. So it was just a matter of time when the market almost crashed close to around 400 points just in matter of 1 hour. And obviously, when you're doing short straddle or short strangle, so such quick move in such short span of time is not good. So we would have definitely lost money with this, right? So before I show you the positions, first I will tell you what are the adjustments we did. So let me just clear the drawing. So as soon as the market broke, so if you remember, we had 44,700 short straddle. I cut my put option and shifted to 44,500 put option. So initially the position was 44,700 C and B. Put option was cut and I shifted it to 44,500. And as the market started to fall further, I created a 44,500 short straddle. So you can see even now I'm carrying the same position, 44,500 short straddle. And along with that, I also ended up purchasing some hedge positions. So one at 44,200 and one more at 44,800. So that is 300 points away hedge position. So during this fall, we did lose quite a lot of money. So we lost almost around 0.5 to 0.6%. So this is a 50 lakh account. So technically we have lost close to around 0.6% in this fall. So now the good part is that our loss is completely protected on the downside. I'm carrying the same position for tomorrow. So tomorrow, in case if we are going to see a bounce back, so we are going to also see a fantastic recovery. So we are going to recover most of our losses. And if the fall continues, we might further end up losing close to around 0.3 to 0.4% in the worst case, because most of the fall has already happened. Now I'll also log into Target. With the system-based strategy, what we executed, we made a total of 1,500 rupees. So the system what we use gives the highest profit if the market is consolidating. But since the market actually ended up coming down, right? So the system was not able to give a lot of profit, but somehow it was able to end in green. So overall, it was a bad day. And towards the end, we had to do a lot of firefighting. So because of which we were able to save quite a lot of money. Otherwise, easily the loss would have extended to 40 or 50,000. So that's for today's trade. Overall, quite a bad day. So couldn't really hold on to the gains which we had in the morning, and we ended up losing around 0.5%. So let's see tomorrow what is going to happen. Since tomorrow is the expiry, it also marks the last expiry of Bank Nifty on Thursday. So after that, we are going to have expiries from Wednesday. So I'll be catching you tomorrow, and see you soon, guys. So before ending the video, I have a small request. In case if you are finding the content on this channel useful, do not forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.